You understand English when you hear it, but when it's your turn to speak, your heart races, your mind goes blank.
You're not broken. You're not slow. You just need practice, not perfection.
Today, no grammar lectures, no complicated rules.
Just simple, real English you can use today.
Welcome to the HZ English Pod. Relax, listen, speak with us. Sophie, let me ask you something. Why do so many students freeze when they try to speak English?
Fear, pure fear. They think, what if I sound stupid?
Exactly. They imagine everyone judging them.
But here's the truth. Even native speakers mess up all the time.
We say, we forget words.
We make mistakes in our own language.
So if you make a mistake in English,
That means you're trying, and that's what matters.
so today, let go of perfection.
Just focus on speaking.
Now imagine you're lost or confused. You need help. What do you say?
Can you help me, please?
One more time, with confidence. Can you help me, please?
Short, polite, powerful.
Here's the mistake many students make. They pretend to understand.
But it's okay to say this. Sorry, I didn't understand.
Again, no shame in this. Sorry, I didn't understand.
Honesty is better than confusion.
Sometimes you need to leave a conversation. Here's how to do it politely.
Nice talking to you.
One more time. Nice talking to you.
Simple, friendly, natural.
If you can say those 4 sentences,
You can speak English.
confidence doesn't come from perfect grammar,
It comes from trying.
from speaking even when you're scared.
Every time you speak, you get stronger.
So don't wait until you're ready.
Start now. Start small. Okay, here's a challenge. Say this sentence out loud, not in your head.
Ready? I can speak English.
Now say it again like you believe it.
I can speak English. Did you say it? Good. That's your first win today.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
Remember, you don't need to be perfect.
You just need to start.
Listen to the HC English Pod daily.
Practice a little every day.
And soon, speaking English will feel natural.
Keep practicing, keep speaking.
We believe in you.
See you next time.